Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are sketching one of the most beloved anime protagonists, Deku from My Hero Academia. Deku's character represents hard work, hope, and determination, and that makes him a great subject for an energetic drawing. We'll begin with a soft outline of the face. Anime faces usually have clean curves and clear shapes, so keep everything smooth and light at this stage. Place the eyes lower than in realistic portraits. That gives the classic anime look. Next, we move to the eyes, the most emotional part of an anime character. Deku's eyes are wide, bright, and full of energy. Start with the basic almond shape. Draw the pupils large. Add reflections and highlights to make the eyes pop. Don't worry about perfect symmetry. Focus on expression. Now let's work on the smile. Deku has a cheerful and hopeful expression, so curve the mouth upward and show slightly visible teeth. Adding soft blush and freckles on the cheeks helps make the character instantly recognizable. After that, we go to the iconic spiky hairstyle. Deku's hair is big, layered, and full of movement. Draw large spikes first, then smaller spikes inside. It doesn't need to be sharp. The goal is volume and flow. When we color later, we will add highlights to make it 3D. Now, we move to the hoodie. Keep the folds simple and flowing. Anime style is all about clarity, not complexity. Use long, curved lines for fabric. And make sure not to over-detail. Once the sketch is complete, it's time to start inking. Line weight is very important. Thicker lines for the outline and thinner lines for inner details will give your artwork the true anime look. Take your time, breathe, and enjoy the process. Now, coloring. Begin with flat base colors, then slowly build shadows. Deku's hair has multiple shades of green, so blend tones smoothly rather than using just one color. Add highlights using a white gel pen or erase tool. This will bring life to the drawing immediately. Finally, let's go over the last details. Extra shine in the eyes, edge lighting on hair, and a bit of shadow under the chin. These subtle additions make the artwork look polished and ready to post. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed drawing Deku with me, don't forget to like the video and tell me in the comments which character you want next. Bakugo Todoroki, All Might Gojo, or maybe Naruto. Subscribe for more anime drawings every week. You're awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.